Hi, I'm Troy with Woodland Scenics. Surface waters convey movement on your water areas and bring them to life.
You can choose water waves, water effects, or water ripples. Water waves go on clear and model rapids, waves, and splashes. You can apply it in 1-inch increments to make waves as large as you like. Water ripples go on clear and adds gentle movement to create windswept surfaces on ponds, lakes, and seas. Water effects was designed to model waterfalls or rapids. The graduated tip helps with making precise applications. Surface waters all dry clear and are applied directly to realistic water or deep pour water. They are also fully compatible with our other water system products. Whatever effect you want to achieve, one of our surface waters is right for you.